First of all, we need to download the JWM desktop software. After installing, run the software. You will see the login page. The default username is supervisor, and the password is 999. And after successful login, we need to change the default password. On the main page, go to the Data Maintain tab, then go to the Modify Password. In the new pop-up window, put the current password, select your new password, and confirm the password, and then click on Confirm. Also, you can add a new login user. For this purpose, go to the Operate Management, then click on Add New Operator. In a new pop-up window, select Operator Name. In a second row, select the password for the same user. Select the user type, and then click on Confirm. Need to configure some basic settings. Go to Data Maintenance, then Parameter Setup. Here, only the important option is Data Backup. Select Backup automatically. Choose the backup folder path where you want to store your backup file. In backup days, select your required number. I will select 3 days. A rest keep as it is. Now we need to register the reader device. On the main window, go to the Patrol Setup and then select the register. Now connect the WM-5000 device to your PC using a USB cable. The software will detect the device automatically. Just click the exit. Now, we will configure the checkpoints. The checkpoints are RFID tags that guards must scan using the WM-5000 device. They are installed at locations where regular inspections or patrols are required. To add the checkpoints to the software, follow these steps, connect the device to the PC, and click Clear Device Data. Disconnect the cable and use the device to scan the checkpoints. Reconnect the device and click Batch Read. Edit and rename the checkpoint names. After checkpoints are configured now, we will add the security guard RFID tags. Each guard can use a personal RFID tag before scanning checkpoints. This helps identify which guard completed each patrol. To configure them, go to Guard Setup. Click Add Guard for one guard or Batch Read for multiple guards. Connect the device and click Clear Device Data. Disconnect and scan all guard RFID tags. Reconnect and click Batch Read. Rename each RFID number with the actual guard name. Click Exit. Now we need to create a time schedule plan. The plan should be created based on the guard's duty shifts. To configure the plan, go to Patrol Setup, then Plan Setup. A new window will appear. Click Add Plan. Enter a plan name. For example, I will put Test Set, the start date, as today. Set the end date to none. In the checkpoint tab, you'll see all checkpoints on the right side. Select the required checkpoints and add them to the selected list. And go to the Patrol Schedule tab. Go to the batch schedules. Leave the guard option blank to select all guards. Set start time 0000. Set end time 0000. Check the option next day only. Leave the upper checkbox unchecked. Click Confirm. In the Day Off tab, you can set weekly holidays. In my case, I will not set any day off. click confirm. After guards complete their shifts, connect the device to the PC, go to the patrol setup, and click read data to upload patrol records. After successful upload, now we can export this file to Excel sheet, and it's ready to be shared with your manager or supervisor. After uploading, the data will be automatically deleted from the device. Later, you can view reports in the history data and patrol report section. And that's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Cyberlink AZY. Thank you for watching.